At first, I salute Tariq Jia. Today, Tariq Jia is going to office by foot. Oh, this scenery really outstanding. Some picture boy are brainstorming to see that Tariq Jia is going to office by foot. Wow, wow, really outstanding. I think, and one day Tariq Jia is a great leader in Bangladesh. He will be great leader in the world. His attitude, his morality, his behavior, his speech, his activities is like he's a leader, good leader, best leader. He will be best leader, no doubt. I request all of the leaders in Bangladesh, junior or senior, you will take this from Tariq Jia. That way, Bangladesh will better. The culture of Bangladesh will change. Okay, it's really good. Again, I salute Tariq Jia. It is really good step.